Yeah, we are live, Marcus Sporting Coding Live in Footwork every day. Are you excited? Today we are by the lake. But what do you care? Because you remember, you see, we do no excuses. Let's go. Yeah, today, basic 6. Let's do it again. Let's go, everybody. 6. Watch for yourself. Let's go. The side. This is the move. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. Let's go. Let's do it on the ground together. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's be in the sun. Let's go. We step to the back and cross. Step forward, but don't touch the ground. This is the air move. And slide it, changing the weight, going on the toes. With the right. Step. Cross. Step in the air. Slide to the back. And going on the toes. Yeah, changing the weight. Again, with the left. Step. Cross. Step to the front. In the air. Step in the air. Slide. And on the toes. Again, with the right. Let's go. Step and cross. Step in the air. It's in the air. Yeah, slide to the back. Change the weight and on the toes. Once again with the left. Step to the back. Cross. Step in the air. Slide to the back. Yeah. With the right. Step to the back and cross. Step in the air, slide back, go on the toes. Yeah, now with the count. That's a slow move. Let's go. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yeah, with the right. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yeah, you're doing great. Let's go again. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. Whoa, you're still here? Amazing. You know what? Let's do another practice. Check. Now, face to face, I want to see you. Let's go. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. But not doing your makeup, of course. Practicing. Let's go. Okay, let's go. We step to the back, then we cross, step in the air, slide back, change the weight, and on the toes. With the right, step to the back and cross, step in the air, slide it back, change the weight, and on the toes. One more time, let's go with the count. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Now, from the side, let's go. Yeah. We step. We cross. Step to the front and slide. Yeah. Step and cross. Step in the air and slide. Again. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yes, this is the move. I give you one small tip. Just hang on with the count of 5 to emphasize the illusion. Let's go. I'll show you. We do it like this. We step. We cross. Now, 5. Hold it. And then do the move. Yeah. 1, 3, 5. You hold it on the toes. That's pretty hard. Yeah. Slide. Yeah. Give it a little bit more illusion. Yes, illusion. You're still here? Amazing. If you're the serious student and you want to practice with me this move with the full tutorial, which is free, which is forever for free. Yeah, I'm serious. You can check the link above, below, to the side. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move. Air B6. Yeah, that's the name. Air B6. B is for basic. Yeah, Air Basic 6. Search that on the YouTube channel. And either way, be reminded, these are universal moves, meaning you can use this step, Air Basic 6, in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Zumba, Bachata, Kizomba, Rumba, Hip Hop, any style that you want, because these are universal. And by the way, Salsa on 1 and on 2, because you can do it with the right and with the left. You see, all these universal moves are symmetrical. Yeah, you can do them to the right and to the left. Yeah, they look the same. That's why it doesn't matter on 1 or 2 in salsa. So, either way, by the way, do this move today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have no footwork every day. Marcus Body going live. So, practice today and let's meet tomorrow with no footwork. Have a great day.